Have you ever been so engrossed in something that time just melts away? Like you're in a bubble, completely absorbed, and everything else fades into the background? Maybe you were painting, cooking, singing, writing book or poem, playing a musical instrument, coding, or even having a deep conversation. That feeling, that effortless action where you're completely present and performing at your peak, that's a glimpse into the state of flow. Flow, a term coined by psychologist Mihai Csikszentmihalyi, pronounced Csikszentmihalyi, is that optimal state of consciousness where we feel and perform our best. It's characterized by intense focus and concentration. Your attention is laser sharp on the task at hand. A merging of action and awareness. There's no room for self-consciousness. You are the action. A loss of self-consciousness. You're not worried about what others think or even your own ego. A sense of control. You feel in charge of the situation and your actions. A distortion of time. Time can feel like it's speeding up or slowing down. Clear goals. You know what you need to do at each step. Immediate feedback. You instantly know if you're succeeding or not. A feeling of intrinsic reward. The activity itself is enjoyable and motivating. Now, what does it mean to be in flow with the entire journey of life from birth to death with all its unpredictable events? It's not about being in that intense state of concentration every single moment. Instead, it's about cultivating a flow mindset, a way of engaging with life that embraces presence, intention, and a deep trust in the unfolding process. Think of it like navigating a river. Sometimes the waters are calm and you can paddle smoothly. That's when things feel easy and aligned. Other times you encounter rapids, challenges, unexpected events. A flow mindset doesn't try to resist the rapids or cling desperately to the calm waters. Instead, it's about being present in each moment, fully experiencing the calm and skillfully navigating the turbulence. Maintaining focus on your oar strokes, taking the next best action even when things are chaotic, adapting and adjusting, learning from the rapids and using that experience to navigate future waters, trusting the river's overall course, believing that even the difficult stretches contribute to the journey. Imagine learning to ride a bicycle. At first it's wobbly, frustrating, and you're hyper-aware of every little movement. Your attention is scattered, balancing, pedaling, steering, worrying about falling. But with practice, something shifts. You start to feel the bike become an extension of yourself. Your movements become smoother, more automatic. You're no longer thinking consciously about every action. You're just riding, you're in a state of flow, life is similar. We learn to navigate relationships, careers, personal growth, and unexpected challenges. Sometimes it feels clunky and effortful, but as we develop skills, resilience, and a present moment focus, we start to move through life with more grace and ease, a greater sense of flow. Think of our attention and intention like focusing the energy of the quantum field. Just as a wave function collapses into a particle when observed, our focused attention can influence the probabilities of our experiences. The law of attraction, in this context, isn't about magically manifesting desires without effort. Instead, it's about the energetic alignment that occurs when our thoughts, feelings, and actions are in harmony with our intentions. When we are in a state of flow, our energy is naturally more aligned and focused, making us more receptive to opportunities and synchronicities that support our goals. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools for cultivating a flow mindset. Our attention directs our energy, and our intention sets the course. When we focus our attention with clear intention on a specific goal or activity, we become more attuned to opportunities and take actions that align with that intention. This isn't about magically wishing things into existence. It's about the practical impact of focused effort and aligned action. For example, if your intention is to learn a new skill and you consistently dedicate focused attention to practicing it, you are far more likely to manifest that skill into reality. Now, it's crucial to remember that even with focused attention and genuine intention, things might not always unfold exactly as we envision. This doesn't mean your effort was wasted. There might be bigger things on the horizon, lessons to be learned, or a different path that ultimately serves you better. The universe always responds to genuine effort, even if the immediate outcome isn't what you expected. Trust the process, find your flow triggers, and focus your intention with mindfulness and meditation. Trust the journey. Aligned effort creates a more present life. Start small. Be consistent.